What's up, YouTube? And we back out again, you feel me, with another banger. Alright, this video, by the title, we're talking about my Discord channel. So, if you have Discord, make sure you drop a like, and shout out to all my Discord members, bro. For real. If you don't got Discord, still drop a like, help us in the YouTube algorithm, you feel me? But, yeah, Discord server, I get rewards when you hit a certain level, and I got service subscriptions. So if you wanna, you feel me, I got it for $6, $9, $24. So if you wanna subscribe to me on Discord, I'm gonna have the link in the description. If you just wanna join and find other gaming friends, we have Roblox, we have Minecraft, we got GTA, EV 2K20, everything, all 2Ks, you feel me? But we got all that good stuff on the Discord. So if you want to join, you got some gaming friends, feel free to join. Now, another thing I want to go over upon the Discord server is But enough said, enough talk. I'm gonna show y'all a screen recorded version. I'm gonna be going over all the stuff in the Discord. So even my Discord members that's watching this video, you can see how I look on my screen. So let's get straight into it. Alright, YouTube, let's get straight into it. This right here is my Discord server, SKURR, Blurr, Dreams, Social, and Gaming. You feel me? And right now we got 24 people active. You know, I'm trying to put on the computer too as well. But we got 24 people active, 101 members. And I've been doing Discord for about 4 to 6 months, I want to say. And we're still growing. And these are the service subscriptions. But these prices are incorrect for some reason. This Discord is displaying the wrong price. But the price I told you in the beginning with the $6, the $9, and the $24, that's basically those prices, but they just flipped. Now, let's get into the regular tab. Okay. You see what I'm saying? Exclusive content, supporter update, supporter chat, inspiration chat, supporter stage, support hangout. You get all those when you subscribe. And this right here is the welcome tab. So if you did decide that you want to join my server and earn you some free cheese or just hang around with some gamers like yourself, the link is going to be in the description. But the first thing you'll do, you'll come to the welcome tab to figure out how everything works. Alright? And then, of course, we got the rules of what not to do. Big on the rules. All I ask is just be respectful. I understand we joke off. You know what I'm saying? We say stuff, but we just be playing. So, and this right here is the donation tab. So, in the donations tab, you can see the meme. What's the best nation? Donation. So, if you feeling kind of hard, you can donate whatever amount you want. You just click that link up there. And right now, we got a Nitro giveaway because we just hit 100 members. So if you want to try to enter the giveaway, like I said, click that link, join the server, and hit the call action to enter. This right here is the rep system. The rep system is basically how everybody levels go up and what all the rewards you can get for your levels. So this is pretty cool. Everybody loving that. Who doesn't love? I just like y'all just join the server. And this right here is the leaderboard. I just recently did the third leaderboard. So these are the people. But you see Elijah 139 points. And he already received a reward from me. He can vouch for you, no cap. But yeah, I mean, all you doing is helping me with my YouTube, and you got a spot to chill. Full of gamers like yourself. And right here is the gamers general chat where all the gamers, you know, either come here and voice chat or just text chat. When we playing a game, we'll usually join the voice chat. That right there was the media selfies. Nobody really be in there like that. But I unlocked it, so people should start coming to that. And this is the memes. So people like to go in here and joke off. You see they having a good time. They, you know, getting on each other, head tapping each other. You know, we all, you might well say family at this point. And this right here is just the gamers general chat where all the gamers in the Discord come in and chat on a daily basis. And right here is just a list of the voice gaming channels we have: Minecraft, GTA, NBA 2K, you know, Warzone, League of Legends, all that good stuff, right? So, with all that being said, this is why you should join SKURR Blurr Discord.